Get ready, guys, because OnePlus is back again with a total game changer. The upcoming OnePlus 15 is about to blow your mind, and trust me, this phone is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Imagine a device that combines futuristic AI power, lightning-fast performance, and jaw-dropping design, all packed into one beast. But wait till you hear what's hiding inside this phone, because OnePlus has something up its sleeve that might just surprise the entire smartphone market. So stay tuned till the end, because I've got a special surprise for those who watch the full video, something you don't want to miss. Now, let's dive deep into what makes the OnePlus 15 one of the most anticipated flagships of 2025. The OnePlus 15 is expected to launch in early March 2025, and it's already making huge waves online with leaks and rumors. Starting with the heart of this monster, the chipset. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, built on a 3-nanometer architecture, delivering insane speed and unmatched efficiency. This chip isn't just fast, it's smart. The integrated AI engine enhances everything from app prediction to camera optimization, learning your daily habits to give you a personalized experience like never before. And the gaming performance? Absolute fire. With the new Adreno GPU, you'll get console-level graphics and ultra-smooth gameplay that pushes mobile gaming to the next dimension. Moving to the display, this is where things get breathtaking. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a 6.82-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 3000 nits. That means every color, every detail, and every frame will pop out like never before. Watching content or scrolling through your social feed is going to feel unbelievably smooth. And with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, you can say goodbye to scratches and minor drops. OnePlus is also introducing AI Vision Booster that adjusts color tone and contrast automatically based on your surroundings. Smart, right? Now, let's talk about what everyone loves, the camera setup. The OnePlus 15 takes photography to the next level with a triple lens setup featuring a 50MP Sony LYT-808 main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The AI-driven image processing system automatically enhances portraits, stabilizes videos, and even adjusts low-light shots in real time. And the 32MP front camera ensures your selfies and video calls look professional grade. Whether it's day or night, your photos will look like they were shot with a DSLR. The battery life on this phone is equally impressive, packing a 5,400 mAh battery with 150W SuperVOOC fast charging. That means your phone can charge from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. Plus, OnePlus finally brings 50W wireless charging for users who prefer convenience over cables. With OxygenOS 15 based on Android 16, the overall experience feels smoother, faster, and more fluid than ever. Multitasking, scrolling, gaming. Everything just flows seamlessly. And here's where things get interesting. OnePlus is rumored to be working on a hidden AI assistant exclusive to this phone. It's said to respond to your gestures, voice tones, and even recognize your mood through facial cues. Sounds crazy, right? But OnePlus has always pushed boundaries, and this could be their biggest innovation yet. Before we wrap up, let me drop a little surprise. Sources suggest that OnePlus might introduce a limited titanium edition of the OnePlus 15 with a transparent back design and even faster charging. Now that's something you don't hear every day. So, if you're planning to upgrade your phone in 2025, this one might just be your best pick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. Stay tuned, because the next video will reveal the real-world performance tests and hidden features of the OnePlus 15 that no one's talking about. Something big is coming, and you'll want to see it first.